Thinking of taking out a loan? Before you head to the bank, you need to hear this. Most people think they only have two options: save up or borrow from the bank. But if you own a whole life insurance policy, there's a smarter, more flexible option that puts you in control. Unlike bank loans, borrowing against your life insurance doesn't require a credit check. No applications, no waiting, and no one telling you no. You're borrowing from your own cash value. That means instant access without jumping through hoops. I'm Steve Schlake with Legacy Builders, helping you keep more, grow smarter, and retire tax-free. Let's build your legacy. All right, let's get back to it. Here's another powerful reason people are turning to life insurance loans over the bank. You're in control of how and if you repay. Forget rigid repayment schedules. With bank loans, you miss a payment, you're penalized. With life insurance loans, you choose how and when to pay it back, or whether to repay it at all. That kind of freedom is rare and powerful. And here's a hidden gem. Life insurance loans don't affect your credit score, even if you don't repay. That's right. No reporting, no damage, just peace of mind. Bank loans may come with fees, interest, and sometimes taxes. But with your life insurance, it's your money, and you can access it tax-free. No penalties, no red tape. And this might surprise you. When you pay interest on a life insurance loan, it goes back into your policy. That means while you're borrowing, your cash value can still grow. Compare that to bank loans, where your interest is gone forever. This is how high achievers and smart retirees keep their money moving without giving up control. Want to learn more? Grab the free audiobook at estroixlegacybuilders.com or book a call and let's walk through how this could work for your life. Don't borrow from the bank, borrow from yourself. You've already earned the power. Now it's time to use it.